I shacked out my outside fire pit and I got more rocks. So just trying to maximize every little bit we can. I think we can survive the night, Sam. What do you think? You think we can do it? We're hunkering down here, getting ready to go to bed. I'm gonna split up a big pile of wood right here. And my plan is to just reach over and feed it every once in a while. It says it's about 65 in here. So yeah, I think it's comfortable, you know. The floor sure is cold. Gonna need some slippers. I've got hardwood, softwood, got some nice, drop them in the bottom rounds, some all-nighters. I think the stove, it burns for like a half an hour and then you need to feed it, possibly a little longer. It's been cranking in here for the last, it's supposed to snow friggin' 18 inches. And I'm gonna hike out of here in the morning. I've got some snowshoes that I've never used before. No idea even how to put them on. And we've got to hike up to the truck, which is, I don't know, normal walking. It only takes 10 minutes, but with 18 inches of snow, Sammy, how long is that gonna be? And we'll see, who knows? We might not get out of here at all. We might just hang out here tomorrow. But first step is to survive the night.